What do you have there?
A flower.
A flower for me? Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. That's a very pretty flower. Oh, she has flowers too? Ooh, thank you. Thank you, Emily.
A little more flower. Are you taking a video?
Yes, I am. You know what? It's starting to rain.
What?
Did you notice?
Yeah.
It's starting to rain. I think we should go in the house.